Hi guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to set up the EzzyCRM app inside your sub account. So let's get started. Once you search for the app at the level of marketplace, you go at the install and then allow install. In order to get the installation going, you have to provide some credentials. Let's paste them away. There we go. Continue. We get success, which means the tool is already installed. In order to access the tool, we need to go at the level of custom page. All right, but before we do that, let's refresh the page. Here we are. So we scroll down and we have EzzyCRM. This is the new interface. We have the documentation that's going to provide you all the steps that you're supposed to follow in order to set up the app. The written steps. And here we have the tutorials, a smart key guide that's going to show you how to get the credentials. Here you have the setup video. And finally, the setup that gives you the status of the app. If it's not connected, you have the possibility to get it connected. That's pretty much, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to reach our support team who's available 24/7 to answer to all your questions. Thank you for watching, guys.